The iCUE NEXUS Companion Touch Screen enables full control of your setup with fully customizable screens consisting of configurable buttons and widgets. To manage your iCUE NEXUS screens, open the iCUE software and click the tile for your iCUE NEXUS. When you first set up the iCUE NEXUS, the iCUE software will automatically load available preset screens for your connected iCUE-compatible devices. Each of these screens features pre-configured device widgets for monitoring temperatures, buttons that give you quick access to device controls, and a dedicated lighting link button that allows you to quickly set the lighting of your compatible hardware and peripherals. To manage these preset screens, toggle Stack View using the control on the top left corner of the preview window. You can disable specific screens using the toggle switches on the left-hand side of each screen. You can also change screen order by clicking and dragging each screen into the desired order, with the topmost screen being the first screen and the bottommost screen being the last. Opening the menu controls on the right-hand side of each screen in this view will provide options to edit, copy, or delete a screen. Editing a screen opens a window that allows you to rename a specific screen as well as apply a custom background color or image. iCUE NEXUS backgrounds can be .bmp, .jpeg, .png, or animated.gif files. The resolution of your custom backgrounds should be 640 by 48 pixels. Otherwise, iCUE will automatically crop an image to fit the NEXUS display. To remove a background, erase the file location field before clicking OK. If you wish to add a blank screen, click the plus button at the bottom of the preview. To add custom elements like buttons for custom actions and macros or widgets for monitoring, toggle back to the main editing mode using the toggle in the top left corner of the preview screen. Use the buttons at the bottom of the preview window to select which screen you wish to add or edit elements of. To add a new element, click Add New on the NEXUS preview screen. The controls at the bottom of the preview will now allow you to select the element type and size. By default, the button element type will be picked with 1x1 size with resize controls on the right. You can assign a custom iCUE action or macro to play when pressed, as well as set the look and feel of the button with custom display text, a background, and icon controls. To change the button background, you can also drag and drop an image file onto the button directly, which will be automatically resized if bigger than 150 by 48 pixels. If you add an iCUE action to your button, a pop-up window will appear with custom action controls. You can pick from custom macros, media controls, text input, app launchers, timers, profile switching, and remaps for single key inputs. For more information about macros in CORSAIR iCUE, check out some of our other videos. Once you've set up your button, you can save it to the button library by clicking and dragging the button from the preview to the button's library bar to the left. Widgets can be used to display useful graphs such as fan or pump speeds and component temperatures. To quickly add a widget to a screen, open the Widgets List tab in the sidebar and drag and drop the desired widget to the screen. And that's it. For more information about how to use your new iCUE NEXUS, check out corsair.com/nexus-FAQ.